The Garmin Fenix 8 is built for those who need more than just a regular sports watch. It's designed to be tough, reliable, and packed with features that cater to both athletes and outdoor enthusiasts. Whether you're hiking through rough terrain, training for a marathon, or simply tracking your daily activities, the Fenix 8 promises to keep up. In this video, we'll dive into its core features, its strengths, and one or two areas where it might not live up to expectations: durability and battery life. One of the standout features of the Garmin Fenix 8 is its durability. This watch is made to withstand harsh environments, making it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures. It's built with rugged materials that can handle the elements, so whether you're exposed to extreme heat, cold, or moisture, the Fenix 8 is made to last. Alongside its toughness, Garmin has also focused on battery life. This is where the Fenix 8 shines, offering an extended battery life that can keep you going for days on end. Whether you're using GPS, tracking workouts, or simply wearing it throughout your day, you won't need to worry about charging it frequently. Key features. The Garmin Fenix 8 offers a wide range of features, making it a versatile tool for fitness enthusiasts and outdoor adventurers. One of its core strengths is the built-in GPS, which allows you to track various activities such as running, cycling, and hiking with precise route mapping. This feature is especially useful for those who explore off-the-beaten-path locations or want to monitor their distance and speed during workouts. Heart rate monitoring is another standout feature, providing real-time data on your heart rate throughout the day and during exercises. This can help you better understand your fitness levels, optimize your training sessions, and even track recovery. For those focusing on overall health, this feature plays a key role in managing intensity levels during physical activity. The Fenix 8 is also equipped with numerous activity tracking modes, which range from basic step counting to calorie tracking, making it easy to monitor your daily movements and set fitness goals. It even tracks your sleep patterns, giving you detailed insights into how well you're resting and recovering. This makes it not just a performance tool for athletes, but also a valuable accessory for anyone who wants to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Additionally, the watch supports advanced metrics such as VO2 max, recovery time, and training load, catering to more serious athletes. Whether you're trying to improve performance or just track daily health stats, the Garmin Fenix 8 is designed to cover all aspects of your fitness journey. With its broad range of features, it's a reliable companion for staying on top of your health and achieving your fitness goals. Battery life differences. Battery life is one of the key selling points of the Fenix 8, and there's a notable difference between the AMOLED and solar versions. The solar model is marketed as offering a longer battery life due to its ability to charge through sunlight. However, it's worth noting that this depends heavily on how much sun exposure the watch gets. In theory, this could keep your watch running for a significantly longer time, but in practice, it may not always perform as expected. The AMOLED version still offers solid battery life, though not quite as long as the solar model under ideal conditions. Overall, the Garmin Fenix 8 is a highly capable sports watch that excels in durability, battery life, and features. Whether you're using the AMOLED or solar version, you'll have access to GPS, heart rate monitoring, and a variety of activity tracking options. The solar version offers the promise of extended battery life, though it may not always deliver the expected results. At the end of the day, it's up to you to decide if the Fenix 8 meets your needs, whether you prioritize a bright display or longer battery life. If you're looking for a tough, feature-packed watch to accompany you on your adventures, the Fenix 8 is definitely worth considering.